Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Sehna Nasir and you're watching Hasta Wasta Pakistan International. First of all, let's talk about the current situation of coronavirus in Pakistan. The number of people infected with coronavirus in Pakistan is more than 21,000 and Sindh is now the most affected province with 8,189 people infected. The death toll in Pakistan is 505, while 5,832 people have recovered. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa remains the worst affected province in terms of deaths. Balochistan government has extended the lockdown. Balochistan government has extended the lockdown for 15 days, after which the lockdown in the province will continue till May 19. 1,315 patients came forward in Pakistan yesterday, while a record 9,857 tests were also conducted in the country. The third meeting of the committee on the virtual session of the National Assembly will be held in Islamabad today, under the chairmanship of Syed Fakhar Imam, Minister of National Food Security and Research. According to the National Institutes of Health, 50 medical personnel were affected in Islamabad, 102 in Punjab, 97 in Sindh, 123 in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, 107 in Balochistan, 4 in Kashmir and 20 in Gilgit-Baltistan. Sindh Provincial Health Minister Dr. Azra Pichoho has said that corona patients are not coming to the hospital on time but are coming to the hospital at the last minute due to severe respiratory. In a message he said that it has also been seen that people are hiding the disease. It's a matter of your safety, corona's patients shouldn't hesitate to tell them. He urged patients with other ailments such as asthma, diabetes or high blood pressure to come to the hospital immediately. Dr. Picoho said that Doe University Hospital Ojaha campus, Indus Hospital, Aga Khan Hospital and Jinnah Hospital in Karachi have complete treatment facilities while corona is also being treated at Civil Hospital, Trauma Center and Sood. He dismissed the notion that there were no hospital beds for corona patients, saying there were still more beds and ventilators than there were patients. According to a report by the Ministry of National Health Services, Islamabad, the number of cases of local transmission of coronavirus. According to a report by the Ministry of National Health Services, Islamabad, the number of cases of local transmission of coronavirus in Pakistan has now reached 85%. Of the more than 21,000 coronavirus infections, more than 18,000 have been infected locally. According to the report of the evening of May 4, a total of 14,000. According to the report, as of the evening of May 4, a total of 1,433 people were found to have coronavirus in the number of visitors from Iran, which is 7%. Among the 3,033 people in the Tablighi Jamaat, corona has confirmed, which is 14%, and the number of those who came from other countries is 1,837, which is 9%. According to the report, the rate of local migration in Pakistan administrated Kashmir is 87%, while in Balochistan it is 89%. In Gilgit-Baltistan it is 54%. In Gilgit-Baltistan it is 54%. In Islamabad it is 96%. In Islamabad it is 96%. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa it is 84%. In Punjab it is 84%, 81% and 89% in Sindh. Dr. Nisar Ahmed, a former chief executive of the Ayub Teaching Institute, Ahmedabad, and a pediatrician, said it was alarming that the virus could reach 85% locally in Pakistan, with very little testing, and the figures show that the virus it has spread to our urban populations. According to Dr. Nisar Ahmed, coronavirus is rapidly transmitted to each other if the affected patients are not isolated and their final numbers are not known, then things are likely to get worse. According to him, concrete steps will be needed to control the virus, including social distances, people-to-people contacts, and lockout situations. Those coming from abroad will have to stay under surveillance for 14 days. A meeting was held today under the chairmanship of Punjab Chief Minister Usman Buzdar in which the procedure of quarantine on houses and regulations in this regard were discussed. In the meeting, Provisional Health Minister Dr. Yasmin Rashid presented a report to the Chief Minister regarding the field hospital set up at Lahore Expo Centre. It was decided at the meeting that travellers from abroad would have to stay under surveillance for 14 days, but they could choose whether to stay in a hotel or in a quarantine centre set up by the government. The meeting was informed that the report of the sample would be received within 24 hours, and in case of its positive response, quarantine would be required. On this occasion, Usman Buzdar directed the authorities to immediately solve the problems faced by the patients admitted in the Expo Centre, and also directed to set up canteens in other quarantine centres, including the Expo Centre. Letter from President Arif Alvi to members of National Assembly. President Arif Alvi has urged the elected representatives to stay in close touch with the people in their constituencies and encouraged doctors and medical staff. In a letter to the members of the National Assembly, Dr. Arif Alvi said that the poor were suffering immensely due to the lockdown. He asked the members to appeal to the people not to go to the market unnecessarily and to take precautionary measures. A senior World Bank expert wrote in an article that the transfer of money from the Pakistani government to a poor would help the local economics to buy the poorest people, thereby mitigating the effects of the ensuing recession will help. Dr. Amjad Zafar Khan further wrote that at the time when cash transfer programs are being used the most to deal with the socio-economic effects of the epidemic, Pakistan is a good example for other countries can become. He added that this is the best investment by the government in times of crisis, which will provide people with the purchasing power to meet their needs.